Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to customize quick settings or personalize your control center in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to customize your quick settings, let's see how can you do that. Just scroll down your control center and you will access your quick settings here. If you want to customize, just tap on this pencil icon and now you can easily customize that. You can remove these icons, and if you want to add different features here, so you can easily add that. Just select the features from here. Here's the available buttons. Just tap on anyone which you want to add, and I'm going to add something like that. Once you have, if you want to remove, just tap on that option and it will be removed to your quick settings. Once you have done, just tap on this done option, then tap on done again, and the setting will be saved. So that's how you can easily customize your quick setting into any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.